I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook email address in case you want to use a different email address. Only thing you got to do is log on to Facebook, go right here to the right and go down to settings. Once you go to settings, go to contact and hit edit. Hit add another email or mobile number. So you type your email address in right here and you hit add. Once you hit add, it's going to send an email to your email address. So what you want to do is hit the confirm and then go to your email address and copy and paste the code, or you could just type it in. Hit OK. And then you want to close this. Hit your save changes. Okay, go back to edit and you notice that the email has been added. So what you want to do is make that email, a new email address, your primary, and hit save. We're going to go back to edit again. And now you're going to remove your old email address and hit save changes. Once this is done, you can go to edit and you're going to notice that your old email address has been moved and your new address is in now, as you can see. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.